What if I told you that the amount you invest doesn't matter as much as you think? Stay tuned to uncover the truth. Many of us think that investing is only for the wealthy or those with backgrounds in finance. But what if I told you that the secret to a secure financial future lies not in how much you invest, but in how you approach it? Today, we're diving deep into the unexpected truth about investment amounts and how you can change your financial destiny without needing a fortune. Have you ever heard the saying, "It's not about the money you have, but about the money you make work for you"? This couldn't be more accurate. You see, investment is more about mindset and strategy than high dollar amounts. As we explore this topic, picture yourself in your favorite place, a cozy living room, perhaps. Imagine that your future self is sitting across from you, holding your dreams in their hands. You can see it, the house you've always wanted, the freedom to travel wherever you want, or the ability to retire comfortably. But how do you get there? It's not necessarily by waiting until you have a giant sum in your bank account. Take a moment to think about how many people you know who are living paycheck to paycheck, yet they dream of wealth and security. The truth is, almost everyone is capable of starting their investment journey today, regardless of their current financial position. It's a widely held belief that you need a certain amount of money to begin investing, but that's not true. You can start with just a few dollars. The key is to get started. The journey of investing is often compared to planting a seed. When you plant a seed in your garden, it doesn't sprout overnight, does it? It takes time, nurturing, and care to see it grow into a fruitful tree. Similarly, when you begin to invest, it's essential to adopt a long-term mindset. It's not just about how much you put in. It's about the consistency and patience you bring to the table. One of the most surprising truths about investing is that even small, regular contributions can lead to significant wealth over time. Here's a quick example for you. Let's say you decide to invest just $50 a month in a diversified stock market index fund. Over the next 30 years, assuming an average annual return of about 7%, you'll have invested just $18,000. But do you know what's incredible? Your investment could grow to over $100,000. That's the magic of compound interest at work. Compound interest is often referred to as the eighth wonder of the world, and rightly so. It's the process where the money you earn begins to earn money itself. The earlier you start, the more time you give your money to work for you, allowing it to grow exponentially over time. Now, let me ask you this. Do you know what's holding most people back from investing? It's fear. Fear of making a mistake, fear of losing money, and fear of the unknown. But what if instead you leaned into that uncertainty? What if you viewed investing as an opportunity to learn and grow? Every investor makes mistakes along the way. It's a natural part of the process. The key to overcoming this fear is education. Educating yourself about the basics of investing can provide you with the confidence you need to take the plunge. There are countless resources available today, from books to podcasts, and even investment apps that can help you get started. Think about this. The barrier to entry for investing is lower than ever. With technology at our fingertips, you can invest from anywhere with just a few taps on your smartphone. And it's not just about stocks. There are various types of investments, including real estate, bonds, ETFs, and more. Diversification is crucial to your investing strategy. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, you reduce your risk. It's like not putting all your eggs in one basket. This principle is vital, especially in a volatile market. Now, as we navigate this landscape together, I want you to keep one key idea in mind. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. You will face challenges, you'll experience market dips, and you might feel overwhelmed at times. However, it's important to remain focused on your long-term goals. Revisit your vision consistently, maybe even create a visual board that represents your financial dreams. This way, you can remind yourself of what you're working toward, and it will keep you motivated through the ups and downs. Let's take a moment for a reality check. Did you know that in a recent survey, nearly 70% of Americans do not have a budget, and even fewer have a long-term financial plan? This means they are sailing through life without a financial map. Don't let that be you. Create a plan. Decide how much you can comfortably set aside for investments each month, no matter how small. Then get into the habit of investing that amount regularly. Automate it if you can, set it and forget it. There's immense power in consistency. Here comes a pivotal moment: disruption. Imagine finding out an economic trend or a global event that could significantly impact your investment choices. How do you react? Do you panic and withdraw your money, or do you analyze the situation and pivot your strategy? What you do next can define your financial future. Remember, it's not about timing the market. Successful investors know it's about time in the market. Patience is an investment skill, and it often pays off. Let's circle back to our earlier conversation about mindset. What if you embraced a growth mindset in your investing journey? Instead of seeing setbacks as failures, view them as opportunities to learn. Let's face it, the world of investing isn't always straightforward. There will be hurdles, mistakes, and missteps. But with each misstep, you'll gain knowledge, wisdom, and the ability to make better choices. Furthermore, surround yourself with like-minded individuals who inspire you to grow. Join investment groups, engage in discussions, and share insights. Community can be incredibly supportive and illuminating when diving into the world of finance together. And here's a thought: think of your investments as a way of supporting innovation and progress. When you invest in companies or funds, you are providing them the capital they need to grow, create jobs, and innovate. Isn't it a powerful idea to know that your money can create positive change in the world? Now, as we approach the conclusion of our journey today, I want you to reflect. What changes can you implement in your financial life starting now? What's one actionable step you can take today to move closer to your financial goals? Remember, it's not how much you start with that matters, but rather the mindset, the patience, and the consistency that will ultimately pave the way to your financial success. So here's my challenge to you: take action. Start where you are, use what you have, and do what you can. Your financial future is waiting for you. It's time to unlock it. In this journey, you have the power to transform your financial destiny. No one can do it for you, but with the right approach, you can take charge of your future. Will you answer the call? As we end this discussion today, I want to thank you for joining me. I sincerely hope that these insights have sparked some ideas for you. If you found value today, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips and inspiration to guide your financial journey. What part of this story surprised you the most? If you like this, subscribe for more mind-opening ideas.